In this video, I'm going to show you how to select the Gutenberg editor for your WordPress website that you have through Wealthy Affiliates. Okay, Gutenberg changes the functionality of your content editor. And for some of you, it's not going to be necessary. Okay, so for some of you, let me show you how simple this is. For some of you, you're just going to be able to go into create a new article, and maybe you'll choose a writing template, which I really like these. These are cool. So this might be your standard template, and it kind of gives you some basics for put your title here, and then it's going to have your topic, your topic, your topic. These are pretty simple. Now within here, and I'm going to show you how to use this editor, you're going to be able to make heading tags. You're going to be able to make paragraphs, bold, italic, underline. You're going to be able to align your text. You can add links. You can make bullet points. You can add a line in between. You can add an image, and you can do your spell check. But they have not given us the ability to access the HTML on this content editor. The goal of this editor is stupid simple. And if this is how you like to create and write, you are perfect right here and don't need anything above and beyond that. But if you're more advanced and you like to add colors and functionality and play with calls to action and buttons and different things like that, you're going to want Gutenberg. Okay, so Gutenberg is the newest WordPress theme, and Gutenberg is functioning with content blocks. I should say that you already have it, but you need to activate it. So if we go over here to your dashboard, so from here, you're in your Wealthy Affiliates dashboard, go down here to websites. Over here, you're going to log in to your website. So this is logging you in to the back end of your WordPress website. We're going to click on the dash here, and we're going to go down to settings. Once you're in settings, go down to writing and change the default editor for all users to the block editor and hit save changes. Now, when we go to create a new post, we're going to be able to see our content blocks are here instead of just a plain text. Now, I will be teaching you how to use Gutenberg, and I'm just a lover of the editor and of Gutenberg. So you'll find lots of my trainings on my YouTube channel at youtube.com/Lori Ballen, and I'll be showing you how to use it all here. Now, again, if you just want to create plain content, just go over here to my recent content, click the little plus sign, or to add your first one, create from a writing template, or you can go to start a new page, create new, start a blank document, and you can just start creating here. So if you want stupid simple, which is not meant as an insult, that's a saying that we have for keeping things very basic, you just use it here. If you want to get fancy schmancy like I do, you're going to want Gutenberg, so you have to go in and enable those content blocks so that you're able to do all the special things. Stay along, follow along with me as I teach you how to use your Wealthy Affiliate website and all the fantastic things we can do with our niche website to earn additional income, potentially your seventh stream.